Hello everybody, Jennie Moore here. I have been asked to talk to you very briefly about Tsheets. Briefly is not in my vocabulary, so here I go. What is Tsheets to our firm? First of all, over and above the application of timekeeping, I think we can all pretty much get that. What really speaks to me with Tsheets is their customer support. It truly is amazing and by far one of the best I have seen in the whole fintech industry. So for me as a business owner, I'm just like you being run in different directions. The fact that I can just call 1-888-836-2720, literally I have it right here, and speak to a real person right away. I just love that, and they always know their stuff. So for me, it's about customer service. Functionality-wise, it's amazing. Clients are able to have their employees log in through the web portal, through their mobile application. We're able to see things remotely, being able to process payroll with different types of payroll providers that we have, and it's always accurate, and I love it. So there you go. That's my pitch on Tsheets. Take care.